Yokogawa is more than a company. We're a family, a community, dedicated to something greater than ourselves. At Yokogawa, it's not just about what we make, it's about the people who make it. In the heart of North America, in the vibrant city of Newnan, Georgia, our talented team tirelessly manufactures, assembles, calibrates, and tests our process instruments. Our local machine shop meticulously crafts parts, ensuring the utmost quality in every product we create. Our dedication to precision extends to the panel assembly facility, where we tailor solutions to meet our customers' unique needs. Our mission is clear: to serve our customers with excellence, to deliver not just products, but promises. Right here, within these walls, we forge the instruments that power industries and keep the world moving forward. We're not just building instruments, we're building trust, relationships, and reliability.